YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Easy back with another video, baby. Now look, I know I've been gone for a while, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I had some technical difficulties, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? It prevented me from being able to do the content and everything I wanted to do. You know what I'm saying? But like, shit, hey, we back though, baby. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I feel like, I feel like somebody hacked my phone, bro. Just know, I felt like my phone got hacked, right? You know what I'm saying? I had to get a new phone, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I had to get a new cell phone, bro. You know what I'm saying? The old one, my password, got fucked up, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Some bullshit, bro. I don't know, bro. Hey, it is what it is, though, bro. At the end of the day, I got a new phone. We got to upgrade. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make the videos even better. Now, look, today we got a big video, man. Something I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, right? We're gonna talk about yeah, I know. We're gonna talk about the New Balance 550, right? So this shoe right here, when I bought this shoe, I believe I bought this in 2021. I want to say I bought it, maybe it was either late October or early November. But since then, this has been my most worn shoe since I bought it. Literally, I basically wore nothing else. Like, this is the shoe that was left out near the door, going to the store, you know what I'm saying? Just running a few errands, whatever, door dashing. Hell, I even brought a shoe to work. I ain't gonna shoot. This is my most worn sneaker this year so far. And today, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how this shoe held up in time. Do I think it was worth it? And we're also going to do a restoration to see if we can get this shoe looking as close as back as brand new as possible. So, with that being said, let's look at the shoe right now, man. Whew, boy, hey, look, I wear my shoes, bro. I wear my shoes, okay? Now, I don't just get my shit like this, though, but I wear my shoes, all right? Now, but I did wanted to, wear it, not really worry about nothing for real, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to wear the shoe and see how the motherfucker held up in time. So, scuffs all over the motherfucking shoe. I mean, even got like some of the, you even got some of the string, starting to unravel a little bit. New Balance on the back part, starting, peel off a little bit of that color, which I didn't know it does that, but, here goes the other shoe too. Now, it's not doing on this shoe right here though, but, let me talk to you about this shoe a little bit though. Like I said, I've done reviews on 550s before on my channel. So like I said, it's very comfortable. One thing I will say about this shoe is that I will say that this shoe definitely molds to your feet perfectly. Like, it really does. And also, another thing I like about this shoe is that, it doesn't really crease like that at all. I have like a kind of like a little hump right here, but it's not like a significant crease. It's not creasing like a Jordan 1, or not like a Jordan 1, but it's not creasing like a Jordan 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, these shoes are pretty sturdy, and it's the material of the leather. Another thing about the leather too is that the more I wore the shoe, the more I broke into the shoe, this shoe gotten way more comfortable. So this shoe is really comfortable. One of my most comfortable shoes that I have. When you first buy 550s, it has that off-light insole that gives you comfort, but it's still kind of stiff at the toe. So, you gotta let your foot mold in and break into the shoe. Like, I'm sure that if I clean this shoe up, like in the past, I can have the shoe looking pretty much, spick and span. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, the cleanup should be fairly easy with the shoe. Of course, shoelaces all jacked up. We can clean those too. So, I mean, overall, like, and when I say I wear the shoe a lot, I wear the shoe pretty much every day. Like, if I'm not Like if I'm just running errands, just doing day-to-day stuff, like, and I wear these shoes to work, you know, I wear these shoes to work. And, you know, overall, I like how the shoe has held up. There's no separation going on at all. The traction pad on the shoe still looks good. You know, the only thing is that, you know, I will say, like I said, the New Balance logo on the back is starting to peel off a little bit. You know, this one is not. So I don't know if it's just because, I don't know, like if I was leaning back on something and I just kind of scraped it or something. But this shoe, nothing's peeling off at all. So I don't know. But other than that though, man, I like the way these shoes held up. So this shoe is definitely worth the money. You know, these shoes retail for $100. Definitely worth it. We're gonna clean these shoes up and we're gonna see if I can get these bad boys looking as new as possible. Y'all think this shoe is gonna come back to life after I clean it up? Let me know down below. Now, what we're gonna be using though to clean the shoe is Reshoevn8r. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna clean these shoes up using Reshoevn8r. I have the signature shoe cleaning kit, you know. And I had this for a while, but you know, I had ran out of my solution. But you know, I have all the, you know, the soft, medium, and hard bristle brushes to use. You know what I'm saying? Got my towel. And we're gonna get this shoe clean, man. We're gonna see if I can get these shoes looking good again. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna clean the shoelaces, you know, and then I'm gonna scrub the shoe. We're gonna throw the bad boy in the washing machine, and we're gonna see how they look, man. So let's dive into it. So I cleaned one shoe so far, right? So this is how it looks. So here goes a comparison between the dirty shoe and the clean one. So that way you can see the difference. Go ahead and clean the other shoe. So I just got finished doing the cleanup. So just to give you a synopsis of what I did. So I hit it with the soft bristle brush, wiped it off, and hit with the medium bristle. Then the stiff was for the midsole and for the bottoms. So I hit it with all that right there. I'm about to wash the shoelaces, and then we're gonna put these bad boys inside the washing machine. And hey, we're gonna see how it goes. All right, y'all, so got the shoes in the bag. So I'm gonna put the things inside of the washing machine. And what the fuck that is, some water? Let's see how them things wash. Y'all, so here goes the final results of the shoe, man, and they're looking clean. The washing machine definitely helped out with, you know, taking care of the stains that was on the mesh of the tongue. You know, it also helped out the stains on the leather. It just deep cleaned everything. And man, I'm definitely satisfied by how these turned out. Here goes the other shoe for you as well. Definitely satisfied how these cleaned up. So man, look, so as far as, is this shoe worth it? It's definitely worth the money. Beat it up, you know, clean it again. Don't just beat your shoes up though, but you know, definitely worth it, man. Definitely held up. So hit that like button, comment down below, and hey, buy some Reshoevn8r, man. Best sneaker cleaner in the game right now, you feel me? So and yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to the channel, doing a dunk low giveaway. Check out the videos down below for more details on that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be smooth, man. Peace.